Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Once again, we thank you all for subscribing to our indicators and for your trust in us. And every month, many people are renewing, even in the monthly plan. Even after having subscribed to monthly plan, they are switching to lifetime plan also. We thank you, everyone. Now, this video will be the complete demo video for our indicator. Actually, let me explain you what is our indicator is. Our indicator is nothing but an advanced price action tool. Our indicator is nothing but an advanced price action tool. If I say tool, people will not understand, so I use the term indicator. Because in the market, whatever the indicators available, all the indicators are lagging indicator. So, but our tool is not the lagging indicator, it is not the repainting indicator. Once the levels have been generated, it will never change for lifetime. Okay. So, let me tell you what is our strategy. Our strategy is very simple. Our strategy is 4-line strategy. What is the 4-line strategy? I will take the help from drawing tool. So, okay, instead of that I will take directly the indicator, then I will explain you. So to add the indicator, where you have to go to this place, indicators, metrics and strategy. See, I am placing the icon here, cursor here you have to press. Then come here to invite only option. So in the invite only, you would have subscribed our indicator. So after having subscribed, the indicators will be available in your invite only mode. So why I have more number of indicators? So this is for our personal use, and we have been testing different methodology. So that is why we have made copies of the indicator. But mostly we are giving this MST iCore 2.0 premium to all our customers. And for the previous customers who has paid less amount, we are giving MST iCore 2.0, not the premium version. And those people who got MST iCore 2.0 for less price, if they are willing to convert to premium version, they can very well convert to premium version. Okay. Now I am adding this indicator. Just one click is enough. Immediately our lines will be formed. So is it clear now? So now what we have to do, when the market has opened, either it has to open above this brown line or below this brown line or below this blue line or above this blue line. Suppose consider market has opened exactly at the brown. Exactly at the brown. What do we have to do? We have to wait for the market either to reach the upper level or the bottom level. Listen carefully. Either market has to reach the upper level first or to the bottom level. If the market is reaching to the bottom level, the blue color, then we have to buy. See here it is mentioned clearly, first to buy. Okay, first to buy at 42,305. If the market has reached here first, we have to sell at 42,568. 42,568. Okay, and what will be the stop loss? The next line, the top second line will be the stop loss for the sell entry. Similarly here the bottom second line will be the SL for the first buy entry. Okay. If reverse, if suppose say buy has been activated and our target will be hit. If suppose target is not hit, market is coming down after the buy is initiated, then we have to sell here for the next target. And what about this next black line? This is another demand zone, which is nothing but a strong reversal point for the bearish market. So here also I have given one demand supply zone. So this is the strong reversal point for the demand zone. So for the bullish market, suppose market is going in a bullish condition, so there is a high possibility that market will touch here and it will fall back. So these are based on pure support and resistance, but this is dynamically it is drawn. Once it is done, it will never be changed. So let me explain you in the live market today what has happened. So once the market has opened, you come here and come to this part indicator, give reset settings. If you are trading in NSE market, keep in default and change to 360 time frame. So by default we have to use D only, but why I am telling to change 360, because as per the result what we have been studying, the 360 is working well for the NSE market, especially in Bank Nifty. So in Nifty you can keep D or 360 based on the movement of the market. And before that, let me explain you what are the contents available in our indicator. To start with, we have given the time frame, that is the chart. So most people are getting confused. What is this time frame? See here, if you are confused, please click on this I button. This is very clearly mentioned what the function is. Don't get confused. If you don't understand, simply keep in default mode and trade. That's all. You don't have to do any changes in the settings if you don't understand anything. Just keep in default mode and trade. Overall in a month you will get a very good profit. Okay, so next one we have given contact. You can contact us at this number, WhatsApp or Telegram, or direct call also appreciable. Website, we have given the website imsischool.co.in/mst-ischool. Then select market type. What is this market type? See, by default we will be trading with the default settings only, default market type. Suppose say you are not able to trade in the default mode, you want to trade only in the noon session after 12 o'clock, you can use noon. If you can trade only in the evening session after 5 o'clock, you can use this. You can trade only after 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, you can use night. NSE tomorrow. Suppose say tomorrow you want to trade, but today you want to decide what you want to buy in the morning itself for the NSE market. Similarly for the MCX market, tomorrow what will happen? Today you are designing well in advance that if the level crosses this level I will buy, if the levels crosses comes to this level I will sell. So like that you can trade. And other option, you can do back testing and then trade. Late night also you can, late means after 10 o'clock. Okay, while you are in a bed, after doing all your work, while you are in a bed, you can do trading by using late night in commodity market. Similarly, Forex 1, Forex 1, Forex 2, test safe and all we have given. These Forex markets, so if you are trading in a global market, global indices, US gold oil, US crude oil and all, you can use different market type, whichever suits for you, that you can follow. Okay, that is the advantage. That is the only advantage available in the premium version. Apart from this, all other features are same in the MST iCore normal version versus premium version. Now coming to this part, select indicators time frame. As I told you, for NSE market, if NSE market, especially in the Bank Nifty, if the market has opened flat, no gap up, no gap down, in that case you can use 360 time frame. If the market has opened gap up or gap down, okay, then you can go for D. Suppose if you want to keep an eye on both D as well as 360, that is also appreciable. So if you don't understand, for minimum 3 months you follow this technique. If there is no gap up or gap down, use 360. If there is any gap up or gap down, use D. That is default mode. Next one, IIT calculation. If the candle which is touching our buy entry or sell entry is having high volume in the sense there will be no wick, the candle will have more strength of buyers or sellers. In such cases, instead of taking immediately the buy or sell entry, you can enable this IIT calculation and you can trade. So this is one method. Next one, automatically by default first buy zone, one sell zone, second buy entry, second sell entry will be enabled. Next one, once sell activated, you have to enable the sell entry, you have to remove the buy entries. If buy activated, remove the sell entry and enable the first buy targets. Next, coming to SL calculation. If you want to trade by default, you can trade with a small SL based on the price of the stock you are trading. Say bank nifty is trading in 42,000, that is 5 digit. Now you can keep either tiny SL or very tiny SL based on the situation. If you want to keep only small SL, the target and SL level will be bigger. If you want to keep tiny SL, the target and the SL will be smaller. So likewise, if you are keeping tiny, you keep tiny targets. If you keep very tiny, you can keep very tiny SL. So whichever suits you, that you can trade. And next one, we have given MST trend zone. What is a trend zone? When you add this trend zone, we will be getting 3 lines like this. What it indicates, whenever the market is above this 3 line, the market is in buy trend. Whenever the market is below this 3 line, the market is in sell trend. This is based on the trending of the market, but it has nothing to do with the 4-line strategy. Our 4-line strategy is completely different. When everyone says market is a bullish market, this 4-line strategy will say it is sell market. When everyone says the market is bearish market, this 4-line strategy will say buy entry. Okay, don't get confused with the trend zone and the 4-line strategy. The 4-line strategy is completely different. You have to follow blindly. If it is reaching to sell entry, you have to sell. If it is reaching to buy entry, you have to buy. That's all. There is no changes. But if you are trading, if you feel that trend is my friend, you know a little bit of price action, then you can go ahead with the trend zone. So I am enabling this candlestick. See here, market is above our zone, so it has reached to our sell entry. Exactly from our sell entry, it is falling down. Now again it will fall down because it is closing, it has closed below our sell zone, that is our trend zone. So now the next target would be 42,337. So this will be our demand zone and this will be our support zone. So hope it is clear. Then what is the next one? The next one we have volume candle. What is the volume candle? So it shows the volume of the candle. It shows the buyer strength and seller strength. See here, the first candle we have very good buyer strength. Once the high of this candle is broken, we have got around 90 to 100 points from here to here. Whereas here at 936, though the volume was higher, but it could not close above our sell entry. It has closed below our sell entry. And immediately next candle we have got a red candle. So here we have got an R3C pattern. First rejection of candle, next there is a confirmation candle, and exactly in our sell zone. So we got the confirmation that market has to fall. Again here we have got one more confirmation that there is a rejection of bullish candle, and immediately there is a confirmation candle, and it has also formed a bearish engulfing candle. What is this? A bearish engulfing candle. So it indicates that market has to fall. Our stop loss will be the latest high. This will be our stop loss. That's all. So once the low of this candle is broken, you can go for sell entry for the targets. See here, market is falling down. It will fall for 100%. It will come and touch this level, minimum this level. Then it will come to our buy entry 42,337. So make a note, mark my word, market is still running. I am saying in the live market. And what is the next one? We got given in the indicator buy sell signal. What is the buy sell signal? See, all these are extra features. Okay, as I told you, this 4-line strategy is completely different from the trend based signal. Okay, The trend based signal is completely different. Don't get confused. It has no link between these two. If you are trading based on the trend, say sell here activated, once the low or the open value is open, crossed, then you can go for the sell entry. See here, now this will be our support, first support, that also breached, and this will be our next support. So always look for the closing value. Now it has entered into demand zone now. Okay, so like this you can trade. Buy activated, we have got some profit. Sell activated, we have got the profit. Buy activated, a very good rally we have seen. So similarly, this also can be used for entering into trade. Again, I am telling this 4-line strategy is completely different from the trend based strategy. And what about this super trend? Super trend is freely available. So we have done a small modification in the super trend. So here buy activated, a very good rally. Here sell activated, but there is no movement. So likewise, but overall if we see, the profit will be very good. See here buy activated, a very good movement. Sell activated, yeah, we got almost some 50% of profit. Again buy activated, profit. So like this you can trade. So now in the morning here buy activated, now it is falling down. So if you know any super trend method, any values to be changed, that you can use. The source you can do different source you can keep: open, low, high, close, or high and low average, high, low, close average, open, high, low, close average. All these things you can keep it. Then coming to this, as I told you, this is based on the monthly, the longest, the furthest support, the furthest resistance. If the market is going upside, see Bank Nifty has reached the lifetime high, all-time high it has reached. So we will not be having any support or resistance to see where the market will go or from where it will reverse. In such cases, we can use this method. If the market is having very good trend, either bullish or bearish, now we should know where the market will reverse from. So that is what I have given this support and resistance. And next one, session breakout. What is session breakout? Suppose most of the people in Bank Nifty would trade from 9:15 to 9:30 session breakout. They will mark the 9:15 to 9:30 high, and once the high is broken, they will go for the buy. Once the low is broken, they will go for the sell. So here you come here and select 9:15. Here you give 9:30. Then come here. There is an option called select session high. Then I have given here session center. Okay. Then I have given here session low. So these are the different strategy. These are a different strategy. Next one, what I have given. So here I have given I trend. I trend means intraday trend. So if you enable this, it will show you what is the trend of the market. If the market is above this line, it is a bullish market. If the market is below this line, it is a bearish market. Then P trend. What is a P trend? It is a positional trend. It will show positionally where the market is, whether market is bullish condition or bearish condition. So now you can see where is our buy activated in a bullish market. See here. So we should be in a buy from this level. So for higher level you have to keep. So I have kept 15 minutes. So once the market has closed above this level, see here this level has closed. Now we have to buy above this level buy. So take any OTM call option or OTM put option based on the P trend level. That is positional trend. And next one, what I have given, DCP. DCP is the central point, like a CPR. This DCP is the central point. So this DCP you can use for selecting the strike price. Okay. Once the market has opened, our DCP will be generated. Now you can choose the strike price 42,400 call option and 42,400 put option. Why? When once the market has reached the sell level, you don't have to sell the ATM price. Okay, the ATM price means the premium will be high. If you are a small investor, then you can take a OTM price. The OTM is nothing but our DCP price. So if the market has reached the sell entry, now you can buy 42,400 put option. If the market has reached to buy entry, you can buy 42,400 call option. In such cases, the premium will be very lesser. When the market has reached to the DCP level, the movement will be very high. The movement will be very high. And next one, DBP. What is the DBP? It is the central point between the first buy and the second sell. DTP. It is the central point between the first sell and the second buy. And here I have given first buy target for. By default, there will be 3 targets in each entry. If you want the extra target, then you can enable first buy target for, first sell target for, second buy target for, second sell target for. Up to 9 targets I have given option. The next one, TDO, it is the today open. And B buy, that is the breakout buy. B sell, breakout sell. CAM S3, Camarilla S3. PDC, previous day close. MDP, that is the furthest, the demand zone, black level, black color, furthest supported zone, top level midpoint and bottom level midpoint. CPR, that you know, that is a pivot point, central pivot range. So whichever you want, you can use. I have given the option in a single indicator for everything. Whichever you like, whichever you are practiced to do, that you can use. Otherwise, you can ignore. So like this, I have given 4 to 7 option. And one more option I have given here. What is that? Select me for manual line drawing. Suppose say you are an astrology trader. Okay. You are thinking that market will not close 42,500. It is a round figure. Okay. So just for an information I'm telling. Now you can enter that value and that line will be formed here. That line will be formed here. So that will be acting on support or resistance. So if you are an astrology or number based trader, such a number you can draw yourself manually by using this option. Okay. Next, what I given? EMA I have given. So in the EMA option, we have given various EMA, SMA, EMA, Hull moving average, WEMA, SW, VW and VWAP also I have given. So whichever you want, you select that and enable here. So the corresponding EMA or VWAP will be drawn onto your chart. So like that I have given 4 EMA. If you are using any moving average cross based strategy, so this will be very helpful for you. That's all. So here disclaimers, it is very important. This tool is only for educational purpose, as we are not SEBI registered. So we are supposed to say this disclaimers. This is for educational purpose, and by using our tool, you are completely accepting and agreeing to our all terms and conditions. And we are offering lifetime validity is subject to tradingview.com house rules and www.imsischool.co.in terms and conditions. Okay. So as far as now, we are having 5 years license to offer lifetime validity. Once this 5 years is over, we will be renewing. So that such in that duration, whatever is the fees that you have to pay. Next one, this tool is given to you only for personal use. Okay. Once you subscribe to our indicator, it doesn't mean that you can use our indicator to make money from the other people. We should not do a business using our indicator. This is only for the personal use, and it should not be used for the commercial purpose. If used, this tool will be removed from your TradingView ID and subsequent actions will be taken against you. And importantly, the next point is, we never contact anyone for portfolio management service, PMS, for handling your account. Inform us if anyone is contacting you in our name. We are telling, if you want to make profit in this market, you have to trade. There is no one in the world who will work for you. Okay. don't ever give your money, don't ever give your account to somebody else so that they will give you profit. Okay, I have put a separate video on the Ponzi scheme where how the people are cheating other people in terms of PMS. Okay, so it is better to stay away from such people. Even if they are giving crores in returns, if they promise you, they can give only for a few months. After that, they will escape. They will escape. It is 100% sure. So don't ever believe such a people that who will make money for you and they will give you. It will never happen. You have to make money. If you want to make money, you have to work. Otherwise, keep quiet, put the money in somewhere, invest somewhere, buy gold or put it in land and secure your capital. Don't trust anyone. They will steal everything and they will make you bankrupt and you have to hide from the people. So now, let me tell you, see here, this day on Tuesday 15th November we got perfectly buy entry and all the targets hit, and previous day on 14th November we got perfect buy entry, all targets hit, again sell activated, targets hit. Previous day buy activated, target hit, sell activated, target hit. So in previous day what happened, it is a gap up. So if it is a gap up, what you have to do, we have to use D, that is the default we have to use. See here, SL was safe here, SL not hit and all the targets hit. Again we got the entry from the sell also, we got one R3C pattern here, we got the profit. Yesterday also perfect buy entry, target hit, and day before yesterday, and yesterday we did not get profit, and yesterday is the avoidable trade. Why? Because see here, there is a bullish engulfing pattern. It is an indication that market has to move upside. Another indication, the breaking candle, this one. Okay, this candle has very good strength. The wick is very small than the body. This candle also, the wick is very small than the body. In such cases, what you do, come here, in the time frame, you select 3D, you select 3D and trade. See here in 3D, as per 3D, get here sell activated, targets hit. So we have to remember the game kabaddi. What is a kabaddi? If a person who is having more strength, no, we have to let him to come inside deeper, so that all the people in the other side will catch him and he will be out. So immediately he comes into your place, you should not catch him. So there are possibility of losing the game is more possible. The chances of losing the game is very high. So that's why you have to let that person to come deeper. So that is the basic rule behind this indicator. Okay, now let me explain you. And if you're not getting the proper entry, don't worry. Okay, just wait for the next market type. See, yesterday I traded with the late noon. What happened in the late noon? I show you. See here in the yesterday late noon, that is today. Today also perfectly we got the sell entry. This is yesterday only, right? 17. Yesterday we got sell entry perfectly. Then we got, it has reached to buy level. Again it has reached to sell level. Again it has come down, but SL is safe. See here, SL is safe. Now it is moving further. I had told you about one, that is the DBP and DTP. What is DBP and DTP? I show you. DCP is the center line and DBP is bottom center line and DTP is the top center line. See here, this is the center line, this is the center line. Suppose market is going up, from where it will reverse, the midpoint will be the reversal point. This midpoint will be the reversal. See exactly it has touched here, it has moved further. So this is how we have to understand this indicator. I have explained everything in detail. So now there is no gap up or gap down, so I'm keeping in 360 for the NSE market, especially in Bank Nifty. So now I'm doing bar replay. Come here, I'm enabling this. So I will keep in 1 minute. So whichever time frame you are choosing, our level will not be changed. That is the beauty of our indicator. Okay, whatever time frame you are giving, if you are keeping 30 seconds also, our levels will not be changed. Okay, let me show you by keeping in 30 seconds. You don't have to keep, you don't have to buy any premium version. Okay, don't waste your money. You don't have to buy any premium version to use our indicator. Don't try to add n number of indicators onto your chart. Practice only one indicator in your lifetime. That is enough for you. So I have kept in 30 seconds only for understanding. If you want me to keep 1 minute also, I can keep, because 1 minute is available in the free version. So I'm running the market. I will slow down. So now market is running. So our levels got active. Levels has been generated now. So it is nearing to our sell entry. Yes, exactly. Sell got activated. What is the high value? 42,540. What is our sell entry? 42,536. Now tell me what we have to do. So we know in advance that this level 42,437. What is the nearest call option, put option? You can buy 42,400 call option, 42,400 put option. So when the market has reached a sell entry, you have to buy 42,400 put option. So it has to come down. Okay, if the market has come here first, you have to buy 42,400 call option. Don't forget. Why I'm saying this, you can buy 42,500 put option also. You can buy 42,600 put option also. You can buy 42,600 put option also. But the premium and the movement will be very high. If you buy a little far, okay, that is our midpoint, our DCP, then the premium will be very low, the movement will be medium, and once it has reached this level, that will become the ATM, and we will get the more profit. The movement will be very high. So hope it is clear. So once sell or buy activated, come to this place, and see here in this example sell activated. So I have to remove the buy entry. Next one I have to enable sell targets. Next one I have to enable second buy and second targets, and I have to remove second sell, and I will remove this extra support and resistance. Then I will remove DCP. I will remove DBP also, because only I have to concentrate on the sell side. Only I have to concentrate on the sell side. See here, I have enabled both sell targets as well as second buy targets. Why? Because I don't know market where it will go. I have predicted that market has to come down from this level. If market is going one-sided, I will be ready here for the second buy. Otherwise, I will trade with another type of market, either noon market or late noon market. If you want to make in a same day profit, you can do select market, noon market, late noon market. Otherwise, once the market has reached SL is hit, immediately you can go for the buy level. So here it has reached, so you buy 42,700 call option or 42,600 call option only if SL hit. Okay, so now I'm running the market again. I'm just increasing the speed. Sell has been activated perfectly. Our first target is 42,440. It is coming down, coming down, coming down. See, once when I use this 4-line strategy, I'm not using any other indicator. No moving average, no VWAP, no trend zone. Okay, what else we have? No MST buy sell signal, and no volume candle, nothing. Only numbers. Only numbers. So when we get the target, yeah, perfectly our target has been hit. 42,000, what is the low? 42,440.05. What is the target? 42,440.70. Exactly our target hit. Exact entry, exact target. So now we have to close our trade and we have to do some other work. And if you want to be in trade again, then keep your stop loss to cost and wait for the second target. In such cases, what you can do, take 3 lot initially. Take 3 lot, book the first lot at the first target and keep the stop loss to cost. So you'll be holding 2 targets without any loss. Already you have booked 1 lot profit. When the market is coming down to second target, book the second lot at the second target and move your stop loss to first target. When the market is coming down to third target, book your third lot also and exit from the market. So this method will work. But if SL hit, you have to take 6 lot here, double lot. So that 2 lots you can book here, another 2 lots you can book here, another 2 lots you can book here. If the market is reversing before giving the second target, you will lose nothing because already you have booked the profit. So once again I'm running the market. This is the current market I'm running. So it is, if it is going back and hitting my stop loss, no issue because already I have booked 1 lot. I have booked the profit from 536 to 440. So 100 points around 430, 105 points we have got the profit. So wherever market goes, no issue. Now immediately once I get my first target, I will keep my stop loss to cost. I will keep my stop loss to cost. So that you should not forget. Okay, I will close this replay. So let us see what is the status of the market. So after giving the first target, market is giving a small retracement. So now this is in case of Nifty Bank. What about the Bank Nifty features? Suppose say people are not trading in the option. What about them? Same thing. You don't have to worry about. Okay. Come here. See here. What is the high? 42,581. What is the 42,000? What is the high? 42,598. Okay. And our sell entry was 42,596. Perfectly our sell got activated and a target also perfectly hit. So once target hit, you have to exit from the market. That's all. No more trade. If you want, you can trade in the afternoon session or the evening session. So this is how you have to trade. It is very, 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 very simple. And next one, for positional trading, I tell you something about this. I will remove the 4-line strategy. I will remove everything. Nothing I will keep it. Only thing I will enable is MST trend zone. MST trend zone. Now I will keep it in higher time frame like 4 hours. 4 hours or 1 hour 15, minimum 15 minutes you have to keep for the positional trading. Now you see, whenever market has closed above this trend zone, you have to buy. Whenever market has closed below this trend zone, you have to sell, either futures or option. So now you can ask here what happened. Here market has closed here, we would be selling the Bank Nifty at 34,948. So we got the profit 34,887. So how many points? So around 400 points we have got the profit. So after that market has reversed. So once you are in a profit of 100 points, keep your stop loss to cost here in a positional trade. Once you are getting a sufficient profit, exit from the market. And if you have taken multiple lots, book partial profit and keep your other lots with no loss. So this is how you have to trade. So you have to keep revising your stop loss. So this, to become a successful trader, what you have to remember always is keep revising your stop loss. So now here you got a small profit, but here you got very good profit. Once again it has given the retracement. but it did not come to our entry level. Once again it has come to retracement, did not come to our entry level. Okay, again we are in a profit. So for example, sell entry. So here market has closed here. Once this low is broken, we have to go for the sell entry. So here if you are taken, see the profit. Similarly, we can say multiple example. Loss also will come, but profit will be very high than the loss. See here, from here to here, what is the profit that you can count? This is for 4 hours. For 1 day, for 1 week, and all, if you keep, you will get more profit. So you don't have to trade in a intraday, right? So like this you can trade. From here, from 36,000 to 42,000 something, we are in a profit. So this is how we have to trade in a positional trade. And along with this, you can add some other price action methodology like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, doji pattern, Heikenhashi method. If you know anything, that also you can use. So hope this video has covered everything. Okay, right from the installation to setting up of our indicator. So our indicator will be in the invite only mode. So every day before you start trading, come here and give reset settings. For NSE, if there is no gap down or gap up, then you can keep 360 and give OK. And you can keep tiny SL, tiny target, because this distance is very more in a small targets. So this you can keep for natural gas, zinc, aluminum and all, you can keep small SL. So hope this is clear. If have any doubts, please first WhatsApp us in 9500009154, so that we will reply you. By the time if you are calling us, so we cannot attend other persons messages, doubts and all, so better you please call. And see here this middle line, how it is working as a best support. It has come down here, from here it has exactly come down to midpoint and it is taking the support. So once you make the entry, you book the profit here. Once this crosses here, you can book the other remaining lots also. Okay, don't skip any profit whichever you are having in your hand. Always try to book partial profit, then keep revising stop loss to cost. Okay, thank you. This video has become a little bit lengthier because I had to explain everything at once. Most of the people are not ready to watch the video before asking the doubts. They want to ask directly. It is not possible for us to explain everyone for the doubts. That's why we are collecting all the doubts from the customers. So we will make one FAQs very soon, frequently asked questions video. So if you watch that video, all your questions will be answered. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, please subscribe. Please inform to your friends to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once we reach the 1,000 subscribers, we will teach you one more strategy, which is paid strategy for free of cost. So encourage them, everyone, to subscribe and like and share. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. Please keep in remember, don't ever give your money to somebody else. They will never help you to make profit. Don't trust them. Don't trust them, and don't expect from others that they will make a profit and give you. So this is both are not advisable. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.